What's going on, guys? This is Will from Bosu, America. Today is a lovely day out today. Okay, so hold on, let me let the door shut. Today I'm going to replace my roof rack with an actual rack that comes off another car. If I'm not mistaken, I got it off a SUV of some sort, and I'm actually going to put this one on my car and get rid of the old one. So let me show you what I'm gonna mess with, and we'll go from there. First off, I pulled off the old roof rack, which is this style, which actually you can see it was on the side of the car. I've had it on there for a minute since I've had this car. But what I did is went to the actual junkyard and pulled off a rack one with the crossbars. And all I have to do now is measure the distance between the center of that to this, and then I'm going to just stack it on here, and it'll be even more situated and more steady. This one's just gotten old over the years, so I may just sell it, I may not. Also, I actually scored some kayak holders. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna clean these up and I'm just gonna flip them on eBay. Or Facebook Marketplace. That's the one thing I've been doing for a long time. I've been flipping these cases forever, and I'm gonna keep doing it. And it's like every so often the market gets good for them, then the market gets bad. But once this is on, these are the covers here. That might be the wrong cover. These are the covers here, and then it'll look nice. So I'm just gonna get to work, and I don't never really let it film me. I'll just show you to you when it's done. I need to get all this damage fixed, or rust fixed. But hey, you know how it is. All right, guys, like I said, I'm not gonna film me doing it because most time you don't need to see it done. You wanna see what it looks like when it's finished. So these are the racks that I pulled off. I got both these at the junkyard. Paid a total of 20 bucks total for the whole set, but I also got something else with this. I actually mounted these on the car and then put the racks on there. So now I'm gonna put the carrying on there. What happened is, hold on, my old one, this one was originally I had from a van, and I had it for many years. So it's just time for this one I'm gonna take it apart and clean it up really good and put it away. I ain't gonna sell that one. But these are not too bad. They use a alley wrench system, and they're on there. Now, I know these are round, but it should still work one way or another. If it doesn't, I'm one of those guys that just makes it work. So I don't think it looks too bad. It came out really well. I was gonna put these at the very edge, but I was measuring for something else, but I do like the way they came out. So I'm going to also, I got these. I found some kayak holders. I'm just gonna clean them up, paint them, and resell them. They'll sell. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this up, and I'll let you guys see when it's done. All right, guys, there it is, finished. So what I did, like I said, I took a rack from the junkyard and a crossbar jack, car rack, I guess, or car roof carrier rack, I don't know, and added it all together. It looks more straighter now, more sleeker. I didn't mind the first one I had, but it actually was getting old, and that looks more balanced now. I think I can go smaller bars, but I don't know. I might keep the bars because I might add something to the other side. You never know. These didn't come out too bad. Only thing I'm missing is one of those. So for now, it is done. I don't think it looks bad. It looks actually cool with this too, because I actually could take this and make a wood rack if I want to. All right, guys, I'm kind of done for now. I got the kayak. Those are kayak holders. I'm gonna clean those up really good and see if I can flip those and make some money.